November 17, 2019, the first case of COVID-19 was discovered.
The biggest quarantine
One
in
patient
history.
tested positive for coronavirus.
COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
First death being reported now from Karnataka.
We declared a public health emergency.
घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है।
Carlos Yulo nagtapos sa ika-4 na pwesto sa men's vault finals.
Itatiyak na pang bronze ang medalya ni Yumir Marcial.
At ipinamalas ng Philippine Olympia ng tapang at puso ng mga Pilipino nang makamit niya ang silver medal.
Talubong ng hiyaw, yakap at pagpupugay ang pinakabatang pambato natin sa Olympic boxing na si Carlo Paalam.
Gold medalist ngayong gabi si Heidi Din Diaz para sa 55 kg category.
As physical education teachers, it is important to remain current with trends and continue to add fresh, innovative ideas to our lessons. This responsibility means that us, movement educators, must continue to seek ways to better understand students and encourage a physically active lifestyle. My name is Enrique C. Lavente Jr., IMPI student and a faculty at Caningua National High School, Senior High School Department. And this is my first vlog. Good day, everyone! Our guest for today's vlog is a graduate, a Bachelor of Physical Education, major in Physical Education, a licensed professional teacher, 3 years in teaching, a curriculum chairman of Grade 8 Council, a MAPI coordinator and sports coordinator, a sports enthusiast, and a faculty of Caningua National High School, a friend of mine, my travel buddy. Let us all welcome Sir John Ace Sumagaysay Gamosa. Welcome back to my channel! So at this time, I would like to say thank you to Sir John Ace Gamosa for your time and effort to be up here today. So at this time, we will hear your inputs and insights about the current trends and innovation in physical education, recreation, and dance. Let's start! So what is your views about the current trends and innovation in physical education, recreation, and dance?
Well, as a physical education teacher, and knowing that when you are a movement science educator, you really influence the learners to be physically active in participating in different physical activities. In this trying time, this pandemic has brought a lot of challenges to all our physical educators, specifically what we call the movement educator, to take part in the learning process of the child. My views regarding this concern is it's very challenging in our part, and we have to take action in order for us to fit in this environment. We have to innovate and to create something which is beneficial not only for our teachers but for our students as well.
So what are the current strategies and innovations used and applied in teaching physical education?
Okay, so the current trends and issues that is being applied in physical education right now is very technology-based. We are really relying on the technology since we are living in a techie world right now. But us living and being situated in a far-flung area, it is very challenging on our part. Hence, we have to make adjustments in order for our learners to grow and to learn independently, especially the new normal. In our school, we are applying what we call as the inclusive education, wherein we are creating learning activity sheets wherein it is exclusively applied to the indigenous people's education or the indigenous people community, wherein the textbook, or the learning material that is being brought by the Department of Education, we are highlighting and digging out the different parts and making it easy for us to deliver the quality education and the exact knowledge that we are going to transfer to our learners, especially in this time.
What is your suggestions to improve physical education subject in the school curriculum?
My suggestion on the improvement of the quality of education and the physical education at this time is to be versatile and to be learner-centered. We all know that as teachers, we are inclusively transferring the learning to our children or our students. In that way, through an alternative which highlights the quality of education that we are crafting, especially in the field of education, inclusive education promotes quality learning and teaching learning process of our students.
Thank you so much for your valuable time and effort and your inputs and insights and suggestions, Sir Ace, about the current trends and innovations in physical education, recreation, and dance. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.